Thank you, Mr. Vice President. As the Human Rights Council discusses the human rights issues that require the attention of this Council, the most burning issue in this regard is of my country, Balochistan. There is a human tragedy taking place in Balochistan while the world ignores it. Balochistan is burning as a result of decades of injustices and atrocities by the Pakistani state. It is one of the worst in fields of health, education and other basic facilities of life. Despite being the richest, more than 80% of its population lives below the poverty line. The precious natural resources of Balochistan are being looted and taken away by the Pakistani state, while the Baloch people are forced to live in Stone Age-like conditions. Whenever the Baloch people demanded their rights from the Pakistani state, the response has always been military operations and massacre by the army. The situation has worsened after assassination of Baloch leader Nawab Abdul Bugti by the army in 2006. 300,000 Baloch people have been displaced and 27,000 have become victims of enforced disappearances. Torture and custodial killings of Baloch activists are common practice. Even women and children are not spared. If no action is taken by this Council, the situation will even worsen. We demand that this Council appoints a special rapporteur for Balochistan, investigates the situation and play its role to ensure the justice for the Baloch people. I thank you, Mr. Vice President.
Thank you.